Pinterest is more than a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes or home and style inspiration. It is also the perfect tool that can bring lots of traffic into your Amazon listing. I am Catalina Natasha from AMZ Advisors, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Amazon affiliate links to make your business grow so much faster on Pinterest. Let's discuss the basics first. Pinterest is a powerful source of traffic and new audiences. With a growing number of users, this platform increased its advertising capabilities, and Amazon sellers are now able to use affiliate links on Pinterest to diversify their income. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which an affiliate wins a commission for publicizing or marketing another person's products. The way affiliate marketing works on Pinterest is through product recommendation. As an Amazon seller, you can provide the link to your followers so they can find your product easier. This will potentially encourage them to purchase it. By doing so, you will get a commission if customers end up buying the product. Think of it as a win-win situation. Your followers get to buy something that caught their eye thanks to you, and you get paid. Easy peasy. Pinning your Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest is very easy. Just remember to comply with their guidelines and you'll be all set to start making money. Your main goal should be to always have a profile where you can curate content that portrays your style and business goals in relevant boards. There are two ways to create affiliate links on Pinterest. One is from your Amazon Associates account. The other one from your Pinterest account. The first step you need to follow is to have an Amazon Associates account set up in order to pin Amazon affiliate links. Once you have that, you can create a post that you think will be well received. Upload a photo on your website that relates or shows the product. Pin that image to Pinterest and add the affiliate link to the link box. To do this, you just have to go back to the pin, click Edit, and insert your affiliate link in the website field. The first step you need to follow to do this through Pinterest is finding the plus sign under the search bar and creating a normal pin from your profile page. Fill the product's description and add the title. Add your affiliate link to the picture. Pretty quick, right? As soon as somebody clicks on the link to purchase a product, you'll get your commission. The Associates Central homepage will always be your best ally when looking for free product images. You can find products in the quick link section or browse for product section. First, you go to the products link page to enter product numbers or keywords in the search box. Then use the search functions or get banner buttons. This will allow you to generate HTML-based images. Once you have your image codes on the product pages, grab them by clicking Image in the Site Stripe toolbar. You can also use Canva to create your own images. They have an entire section of templates called Pinterest Pin. The first practice that is recommended is to promote relevant products to a specific niche. As mentioned in previous videos, being specific will always hit your target in a much easier fashion. In the end, this is a marketing campaign where strategy is always needed, but don't oversaturate your content with too many Amazon affiliate links. It would feel more like spamming, and nobody likes that. The second recommended practice is don't forget to test your links. The effectiveness of your links will depend on your niche market. If you've never used Pinterest before, focus more on how to get the most of sales. If you have a website besides your Amazon online store, then adding links to reviews or buying guides that you posted there might be a really good idea. By the way, keep separate links for your Pinterest post and your buying guides. You can track how your brand's links work by using and managing tracking IDs. Just go to your Amazon Associates dashboard, click on your email address, and then the Manage Your Tracking IDs button. Compare your tracking IDs for the next month. You can try sending your pins to the affiliate product and other pins to our buying guides if you have them, and see which way works best for your products. The third practice is that it's mandatory to disclose affiliate relations and avoid link cloaking. It is a common requirement to disclose affiliate links relations in most affiliate networks because it is an FTC requirement for all affiliate networks. The fourth practice is to make your links Pinterest friendly. This platform is about creating mood boards depending on the niche of your liking. Fashion, cooking, gardening, whatever comes to your mind. Pinterest is made to use these pins as ideas, so make sure your content is as innovative and resourceful as possible. Grow your number of followers. Amazon affiliate links is better when there is authenticity in your Pinterest profile. Remember that the goal is to attract new buyers through recommendation, not spamming them with millions of links. Of course, you need to have your Pinterest set in order to work your affiliate marketing. So here are a few tips to getting started. Tip 1. Create boards and start pinning. If you have a new profile, then start creating different boards. Remember that this profile is an extension of your brand. But if you're a seller that has diverse items on sales, create a mood board for each specific topic. Sporting goods go in one mood board. Gardening goes in another one. Tip 2. Get followers. The more followers you get, the higher the chances of them purchasing a couple of items in your Amazon affiliate links. You can get more followers by either following other people and or repinning popular content. So go ahead and set your boards, publish pins, follow profiles. Once you do all of this, you can start pinning affiliate content or pins that redirect users to your Amazon posts. Tip 3. Scale your Pinterest outreach. You got your followers, full mood boards, and your pins. Time to join group boards. In a group board, the rest of the members, as other people outside of it, can see your board. Using Amazon affiliate links can be just a part of a whole marketing campaign on your Pinterest profile. It does require time and testing to see what works best for your specific products. But the good news is that it has a higher ROI than any other social network out there. Yes, we mean Facebook and Twitter. Unlike others, Pinterest allows you to have a single campaign with all types of ads, allowing you to focus more on performance than instead of working out budgets across campaigns and advertisers. You can check more about that in Pinterest Ad Manager. As you can see, Amazon affiliate links can help your brand and business have a better online presence while attracting tons of possible buyers in a more organic way. You won't just be showcasing the range of products that you offer. You'll also show the creative side of your brand, which is more about helping users than selling. I hope you found this information helpful, and drop us a note in the comment section below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!